Hello guys, welcome back. So ito na yung part 2 ng ating yung application ng ating special product. So nasolve na natin itong 1 to 5 sa part 2 natin. So dito naman isosolve natin yung 6 to 10 naman. Okay, let's start for number 6. Quantity 4 minus 2x times 4 plus 2x. So makikita nyo, same yung kanilang first term, same din yung kanilang second term. Nagkaiba lang sila sa sign, minus and plus. So ito ay sum and difference of two binomial. Okay, so gagamitin lang natin tong formula. Although magkaiba yung kanilang pagka-arrange dito, nauna yung subtraction. Okay, the same lang yan, same lang yung formula na gagamitin natin. So simple lang, yung sagot lang dito is i-square lang natin ng first term minus squared nitong second term. So i-apply lang natin ito, yung AB natin, AB. So yung A natin is 4, yung B natin is yung 2x. Okay, so ito na yung mangyayari ngayon. So i-square down natin yung ating A. So ito yung A natin, yung 4. Then minus i-square natin yung B, yun yung 2x. So 2x squared. So napakadali lang. 4 squared is 16, quantity 2x squared is 4x squared. Ito na yung final answer natin. So ganun lang. So itong part na to yung pinakamadali. Okay, for number 7, quantity 3xy minus abc times 3xy plus abc. Again, same yung kanilang first term, same din yung second term. Nagkaiba lang sila dito sa sign nila, minus and add. So ibig sabihin, again, ito ay sum and difference of two binomial. So i-apply lang natin ulit itong formula. So ito yung A, B natin, AB. Gagawin lang natin A squared. So i-square natin itong 3xy minus i-square natin itong ABC. So ganun lang. Then loss of exponent lang yan. I-distribute lang natin itong square dito. So 3 to the power of 2 is 9, x to the power of 2 is x squared, 9 to the power of 2 is 9 squared, y squared. Then again, ito ay didistribute ulit natin yung exponent. Magiging a squared, b squared, and c squared. So ganun lang siya kasimple. For number 8, again, same na naman yung first term nila, x squared, same din yung second term. Nagkaiba lang sila ulit dito sa sign. So again, square of sum and difference of two binomials na naman to. So i-apply lang natin ulit itong formula. Again, ito yung A natin, yung x squared, yung B natin is yung 4y squared. Okay, apply lang natin yung formula. A squared, yung ating A is x squared, so x squared to the power of 2. Then yung B natin is 4y squared, so 4y squared squared. And apply lang natin dito, power by power rule, loss of exponent lang. 2 times 2 is 4. Magiging x to the 4 siya. Din ito, i-distribute natin yung 2. 4 squared is 16. Y squared to the power of 2 is multiply lang. Power by power again. 2 times 2 is 4. So kaya ito na yung final answer natin. Okay. So for number 9, meron tayo dito 2 plus the quantity x minus 1 times 2 minus the quantity x minus 1. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito is, igugrupo natin tong x minus 1 as one term. So, ito, yung magiging a natin dito is yung 2. Then, yung magiging b naman natin is yung x minus 1. So, pwede natin ulit i-apply dito yung sum and difference of two squares. Okay? Kasi equal yung ating a, ating b is equal din. So, i-apply natin tong formula. So, again, yung formula is simply a squared. So, yung a natin is 2. So, 2 squared minus b squared. So, yung b natin is x minus 1. So, x minus 1 squared siya. Okay, then, simplify lang natin yan. 2 squared is 4. Then, ito is square by binomial lang yan. Okay? Yan, yung formula niya, i-square natin yung first term, x squared. Then, 2 times first term times second term. So, x times negative 1. Plus, yung second term squared. So, quantity negative 1 squared. So, yun na. Simplify lang natin to. X squared, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Plus, quantity negative 1 squared is positive 1. Then, distribute lang natin tong negative. Okay? So, negative times x squared is negative x squared. negative times negative 2x is positive 2x. Then, negative times 1 is negative 1. Then, i-combine lang natin yung constant. So, negative x squared plus 2x. Then, 4 minus 1 is 3. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Then, yung last number natin, yung pinakamahaba. No? So, mahaba siya tignan pero igugrupo lang natin to para magamit natin yung difference of two squares. Two binomials. So, ito yung magiging a natin dyan, yung x plus 2. Then, yung magiging b natin is yung y plus 1. So, makikita nyo, same sila dito, x plus 2, same din yung y plus 1. Magkaiba lang yung sign. So, pwede natin i-apply itong sum and difference of two binomial. Okay, gamitin lang natin yung formula. So, since yung a natin is x plus 2, so squared lang natin yan. Minus, yung b natin is y plus 1, so squared lang ulit natin. So, then, square binomial lang to. Apply lang natin. Again, yung formula is, square natin yung first term, x squared, then 2 times first term times second term. So, x times 2 then. Plus yung square ng second term. So, 2 squared. Then, minus to. Square binomial again yan. Then, square natin yung first term, y squared plus 2 times first term and times second term. So, y times 1 then. Lastly, yung third term, square lang ng second term natin. So, 1 squared. Simplify lang natin yan. X squared, 2 times x times 2 is 4x. 2 squared is 4. Then to y squared, 2 times y times 1 is 2y. Then 1 squared is 1. Then distribute lang natin yung negative. So, negative times y squared is negative y squared. Negative times 2y is negative 2y. Negative times 1 is negative 1. Then, combine lang natin tong constant. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. So, copy lang natin tong iba. X squared, negative y squared, 4x, negative 2y. Okay. 4 minus 1 is 3. So, yan na yan. Combine lang natin yung constant, then rearrange. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay. So, yun lang. So, panoorin nyo na lang yung ating part 3 para sa items 11 to 15. Sana marami kayong natutunan. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.